Alright, so I'm going to take a tour on what we have on the Hovercraft thus far. So this is in the final, third iteration. We have two turning fans right here. They're just two blades typed together, and the white styrofoam are ducts, so that's just to sort of increase how much air is getting through and allow us to give a bit more thrust power. We have our propulsion fan with our giant propeller here that allows us to go forward and backwards. We also have our lift fans that are using the tri-blades. These blades are balanced to help reduce torque. If we just had one of them, the whole craft would probably just spin around. And all these are powered by this big honking battery here. So to prevent just simple on and off power, we have a motor controller right here, and that's controlling the turning fans and the propulsion fans. So the lift motors are always full on, but this can allow us to finer tune control the turning and lift. Down here we have all of the wiring guts. So the wires are plugged in here for the motors, but we also have the radio right here, which transmits to our base station. And all of this connects up to the Arduino, which is where all the magic is happening. So this Arduino was powered by the AirHog battery right there, so it's got a separate power line. And that separate power is also powering the radio and our ultrasonic sensors, which you can find over here. So we have one there, and we're probably going to move about some more and get a better distribution. We're still playing with exactly where we want them to be.
Our hovercraft maintains its distance from walls by using its left and right sensors to detect when a wall is in close proximity and maneuvering away from it, as seen here. This can sometimes result in overcorrection. It's also capable of detecting an object directly in its path and turning to avoid it. This results in the hovercraft turning corners by detecting the approaching wall, turning 90 degrees, and continuing forward. Our current algorithm always turns left, but could be carefully adapted to allow an operator to choose the craft's direction.